How to stop ads completely on Windows 11 computer. While browsing on your device, you see a lot of pop-up. You think this is common or is natural. No, it is not natural. It is an ad that display on your device. All activities on your laptop computer running on Windows 11 is being monitored. Thereby send appropriate ads based on your content, on your information, on your activities onto the device. Now, here are the three settings you need to put in place to stop all ads completely on your device. First, click on the power button here, click on settings. Now that I've clicked on settings, scroll down to get to privacy and security, click on it. Now locate this button that says general, where is your advertising ID, click on it. Make sure that these three settings or these buttons are turned off. You don't have anything to do with this button. Most especially, let app show me personalized ad by using my advertising ID. Make sure you turn off these settings. As well, let website show me local relevant content by accessing my language list. Turn off this setting. Then the next button you have to do is to access some settings on your file explorer. Now open the file explorer on your device. Once you have it like this, then go ahead and click on these three dots here. Now tap on more option. Once you tap on more option, it comes out like this. Now here, click on this view button. Once you click on view button, you have access to this information. Now scroll down here until you get to this option that says show syncs provider notification. Tap on this button to toggle it off. You share this button, then tap on apply so that the settings you put in place will be applied. Then tap on OK. That setting is in place. Now we've been able to put two settings into action. The next and the last one, which is one of the most important settings, is the lock screen settings. To access this, tap on the home button here, tap on settings again. Now go ahead and tap on personalization here. Once you tap on personalization, it comes out like this. Then scroll up until you get to lock screen, tap or click on it. When you click on lock screen, it comes out like this. Now here, where you see picture here, if you only on spotlight here, make sure you select picture. Once selected picture, it comes out like this. If this button is checked, make sure you uncheck it, then close this page. Then you are good to go. With these three settings in place, your PC running on Windows 11 will stop unnecessary ads display on your device. So guys, if you enjoy what I've explained in this video, if you don't subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.